Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. At sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan ang geometry pa rin with the topic of exterior angle of a regular polygon. Okay? So exterior tayo. So yung nauna nating video kahapon ay about interior angles ng regular polygon. So ngayon naman, punta naman tayo sa exterior angle ng isang regular polygon. Okay? So, each diagram shows an interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, so take note, regular siya. For each polygon, answer these questions. What is the size of each exterior angle? How many sides does it have? What is the sum of each interior angle? Okay, so first step na pwede natin gawin, pwede tayong gumawa ng isang lines. Okay. Yan. Gawa tayo ng 180 degrees. Okay. Palagi tayo magbe-base sa 180 degrees. Okay? So now, mag-let tayo ng x. So, sulat natin, let x be the measure of the exterior angle. Okay. So, sa number 1, so what is the size of each exterior angle? So, x is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. So, x is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so yan ang ating sagot sa number 1 question. Number 2, how many sides does it have? So, meron tayong formula to find the sides of this polygon. So, n is equal to 360 degrees. So, kung matatandaan natin yung sa una nating video, ang n representing the number of the sides of a polygon over or divided by the measure of exterior angle. Okay. Exterior angle. Okay? So, ang sagot natin sa number 2, so n is equal to 360 degrees divided by, ang exterior natin dito sa number 1 is 45 degrees. So, the number of sides of this polygon is 8 sides. Okay, tandaan natin yung unit. Sides, hindi degrees. Okay, be careful sa pagsusulat ng unit. Okay, so 8 sides, so it means ito ay isang octagon. Okay, so sa number 3, what is the sum of each interior angles? So napag-aralan na natin to sa nauna nating video. So number 3, okay, the sum of the interior angles, so 180 degrees times n minus 2. So s is equal to 180 degrees times 8 minus 2. So s is equal to 180 times 6. So s is equal to 1,080 80 degrees. Okay? So, yan ang sum of the interior angles. Next, number 2 or letter B. So, 160 degrees. So, pwede tayong, again, step 1, gawa tayo ng straight line or extension. Itong line na to. Yan. So, let x ulit. So, x, number 1, is equal to 180 degrees minus 160 degrees. So, x is equal to 20 degrees. So, 20 degrees tayo. Okay? So, number 2, ano yung question 2 natin? Number of its sides. So, n is equal to 360 degrees divided by 20. So n is equal to 18 sides. Okay. So 18 sides meron. Okay. Next, number 3, the sum of each interior angle. So the sum is equal to 180 degrees times n minus 2. Sum 180 degrees times ilan to? 18 minus 2. Okay. S is equal to 180 degrees times 16. So S is equal to 2,880 degrees. Okay. Next. Okay, so the next one, each diagram shows an exterior angle of a regular polygon. So for each polygon, answer these questions. So what is the size of the interior angle? How many sides does it have? What is the sum of each interior angles? So sa nauna nating part na sinagutan, nag-let x tayo. So since hahanapin natin ay interior angle, so mag-let y naman tayo. Okay. Let y be the measure of its interior angle. Okay, so number 1. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 8 degrees. So y is equal to 172 degrees. Okay. So yan ang measure ng ating interior angles. Number 2. Okay, clear ko muna ito lahat. Okay, so number 2, how many sides does it have? So number 2. So n is equal to 360 degrees over yung exterior natin, which is 8 degrees. So n is equal to 45 sides. Okay, next, number 3, the sum of each interior angles. So the sum, 180 degrees times quantity 45 minus 2. So S is equal to 180 degrees times 43. So the sum of the interior angles is 7,740 degrees. Okay. Next. Okay, last one. Okay, number 1, the interior angle. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 6 degree. So y is equal to 174 degrees. So next, pwede natin sulat. Number 2, number of its sides. So n is equal to 360 degrees divided by the measure of exterior angle, so 6 degree. So n is equal to 60 ang unit natin, sides. Okay, and last, for the sum of its interior angle, 180 degrees times quantity 60 minus 2. So 180 degrees times quantity 58. So the sum of this interior angle or its interior angle is 10,440 degrees. Okay, so hanggang dito na lamang po. Nawa, ako po ay nakatulong sa inyo dyan, mga mag-aaral sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon Diyos.